The term UX design has become a major buzzword in today's tech industry. But what is UX design, and what is it UX designers actually do? UX design stands for User Experience Design. In other words, the design of experiences for users. An experience is any interaction someone can have with a product. And a user is, well, people like you. Your mom, your dad, your best friend, your technologically challenged roommate. A user can be anyone in the whole world. So, you can imagine designing an interaction for this many different people might be a challenge. This is exactly why UX design and UX designers are so important. The term user experience was first coined by a man named Don Norman in the 90s. You could call him the Don of UX design. Don Norman was an electrical engineer and cognitive scientist at Apple, back before Apple became the tech giant it is today. While working for them as a user experience architect, he developed and promoted a user-centered design process that placed the needs of the user at the forefront of product creation, a concept that was pretty unique at the time. While Don Norman wasn't the first one to begin experimenting with the concepts behind user-centered design, his approach was what helped it blossom into a fully fledged field, and with it came the birth of the UX designer. Products built specifically to cater to our needs sound great, right? But what does that actually mean? And more importantly, how in the world would someone design that? Probably the easiest way to explain this would be by looking at some examples. Think of something in your life that's super easy to use. So easy, you don't even have to think about it. Take a banana, for instance. A banana comes with its own case, making it easy to carry around without getting your hands sticky. The case even acts as a freshness protector, keeping the fruit inside from going bad before you eat it. As if that weren't enough, a banana even has its own built-in ripeness detector. When it's green, you know to wait a little longer. When it's brown, you know you've waited too long. When it's yellow, well, as Goldilocks once said, this banana is just right. Great job, buddy. But what about something that isn't so easy to use? Something with bad UX, and the type of product users may not be so happy to use. There are plenty of examples out there. Take Apple's Magic Mouse 2. Sure, it may function fine as a mouse, but if you ever wanted to charge it, you'd have to plug it in, on the bottom of the mouse. The location of the charge port makes it impossible to use the mouse as it's being charged, meaning you'll have to let it sit for an hour or two before you can use it again. Not a great design choice for most users, especially those that work in an office and can't charge their mouses overnight. UX designers act as advocates for their users. They research, iterate on, and test various design solutions, making sure the product is as easy to use as possible and actually solves a problem for the users. For instance, let's return to our Magic Mouse example. Perhaps Apple didn't think about how users might want to use their mouse while it charged, or perhaps they didn't research a large enough group of users to identify this potential problem. The mouse is a pretty revolutionary tool, but without the input of the actual people who will use it, the users, it could never reach its true potential, and it's the job of the UX designer to remind us of that. By interviewing and surveying mouse users all over the world, the UX designer could have learned about their charging habits and planned for a more convenient charging port before the initial designs were even drawn. But even if they missed it during the research phase, they could have discovered this issue through testing of low-budget prototypes. After receiving feedback, they could have then recommended changes and updates to the initial design for the next release. UX design isn't limited to tech either. Companies from every field are starting to realize the difference they can make in their products and services when they have a UX designer to speak for their users. Retailers, fashion giants, and even furniture companies are all beginning to embrace the principles of UX to help them produce products that solve problems for their customers, along with the customer service to match. UX design is all about helping people and solving problems. Think of a UX designer as a licensed simplifier, coming up with elegant, thought-free solutions to the problems of tomorrow. Whether that's designing the world's most convenient mouse, coming up with a hassle-free checkout method for your favorite online store, or even just making it easy to set your alarm in the morning, UX designers have got you covered. They make the world a more user-friendly place.